Thank you for coming in today. It should be a good and a varied experience.
We're going to bring this gun into action, and then you guys get a little bit of time to hands-on.
And I've got family in the Defence Force that really have inspired me to be here.
We laser target, the bomb requires a laser, tracks to the target.
I thought it'd be a great experience to see everything operational.
My favourite part about the day was definitely being able to talk to the current artillery operations staff.
It's been great to come and see all the new vehicles, especially the Hawkeye.
I'm just really excited to get a taste of life in the field.
And it's actually a really great experience.
It's 100% worth it.